Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, but I'm the Who Dat teacher right now because this is the instructional. Guys, I have the perfect dance for you. Instructors, you know, when you want to teach students combination steps, this is the perfect line dance to teach them combination steps, especially your beginners. It's a one wall dance and there's several steps in it and they're very simple. So the name of this dance is called Run It Up. It is a one wall dance and there's only two rotation. So I would do this dance as a drill. In fact, for my new people coming in, I would play this dance almost every class period. I always have different playlists for each class each time they come, but I definitely would play this because it would drill them in learning the different steps in this dance. Okay, so it's called Run It Up, and I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructional. If you want to dance to the music and make sure we have the steps right, watch till the end and click on this video. And please leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and share this video. So guys, that's this dance. So instructors, when I'm teaching my class, I always want to do the universal dances. So when we go out dancing at different events, I want to make sure I keep my people on the floor. So I'm always looking for those universal line dances that they're doing in the line dance community. But sometimes I come across a line dance that is beneficial to how I'm trying to cultivate my class and move it forward. This dance here introduces, especially your new people, to different steps, all in one dance. Okay, so I call combination steps. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So stand on this side of the room, and the dance is going to start with a step sailor and tap out, and we're going to do it on the right, the left, the right, and the left. So the weight is on the left. We go right, right, out, in, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7. Step, sailor. Step, sailor, out, in, step, left, right. And it started on the right, so then we're going to go around and tap 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And when I tap the third time, my left heel is up. Because what I just did on the right, I'm getting ready to do on the left. Okay? So we're turning on 5. So let's do that again. Step sailor. 1, 2, and 3. Left, 4, 5. Turn 6, 7, and 8. So I would tell my beginners, we do it on the right, you turn it on the right. Turn to the right. When you do it to the left, you turn to the left. Okay, so my left heel is up, and I do a step sailor on my left. Step, sailor, out, in, step right, left, and turn to your left. Right, right, right. And you paddle forward 3 times, making a full turn. Okay, and I paddle 3 times, okay? Now I did it on the right, I did it on the left, now I'm going to do it on the right again. Step, sailor, out, in, put your weight on the left, right, and then paddle around. 1, 2, 3. On the left, 1, 2, and 3. Step 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And definitely have them count out the step. So when you step on 5, you paddle around 6, 7, 8. All right? So when you do it on the right, you go to the right. When you do it on the left, your right shoulder goes to the left. Go forward. So the weight is on the right, the left shoulder go forward. When the weight is on the left, the right shoulder go forward. Okay? Now, When you get back here, you're going to do a step tick. So, let's take it back. Just in that one step, we learned a step, sailor, out, in, left, right, and paddle round. Paddle, paddle, paddle. And we learned to do it on the right and the left. That lesson right there. A step sailor, a paddle step. Also, we switch our weight from the left to the right. We made a full turn. We paddled forward, and we did it on the right side and the left side. Excellent lesson for your beginners. Now, the next step we're going to do, we're going to move counterclockwise, a step tick. Your beginners have a problem with this. Let me tell you something. The key to it is tell them to step forward. Step, tick, 1, 2. Step right, 1, 2. Step left, 1, 2. Okay? We're going to do it at each wall. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Step, 1, 2. 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 And that's exactly how I would teach my beginners. Step up on that right, step, tick, 1, 2, step, tick, 1, 2, and turn. Step, tick, 1, 2, step, tick, 1, 2. When you come down on that right, 1, 2, you turn. With the left shoulder coming back, quarter turn. And I will give them the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Turn on and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. No, I wouldn't count 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm doing this for my beginners, so I would count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But the key is to get them to step forward. Step, tick, 1, 2, step, tick, 1, 2. All right, so let's put that together. So, the first part, which is your step sailor, you do it 4 times. Right, left, right, left. Your step tick, you're going to do 4 times. You're just going around the wall, counterclockwise, each wall. Okay? So they're really only doing 2 parts. All right? All right? Step sailor. 5, 6, 7, step right. 1, 2, and 3, and left, right. Left, 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 and left. Sailor. Out and right, left. Right, right, right. Step right. Step. Sailor. Out and left, right. Tap, tap, tap. Step. Sailor. Out and right, left. Right, right. Step, tick. Step, tick. 1, 2. Step, tick, turn. Step, tick. 1, 2. Step, tick, turn. Step, tick, 1, 2, step, tick, turn. Step, tick, 1, 2, step, tick, turn. All right? Now, I'm going to teach them how to do this dance as a step pivot full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as soon as they come back, they got to go right into it. Perfect. Because some dances, as soon as you turn, you got to do a step right away, okay? So when I'm at this wall telling them to do the step tick, get ready to pivot, full pivot. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I would tell them you got to make a half turn. That right leg is going to come to the front, right, left, and it goes to the back, right, left. Alternating your weight, switching your weight from right, left, right, left, right, left. And jazz square. Right, jazz square with a triple step. Right, left, right. And the same thing they do on the right, they do on the left. Left, right, right. Jazz square, left, right, triple step. We learned it so much. Okay? Perfect dance for your beginners. All right? So let's put it together. Step sailor on the right, left, paddling around. Your step tick moving counterclockwise at all walls. As soon as you get back to the front, pivot on that left. Jazz square, left, right, left, right, left. Step tick, step tick. I'm sorry, pivot on that right, pivot on the right. Right, left, right, left, right. Pivot on the left, pivot on the left, left, right, left, right, left. So your dances, each part starts on the right foot. Okay? So when they get back here, they don't know what foot to pivot on. It's always going to be the right. We're starting on the right. Just like we saw our step sail on the right. 5, 6, 7 step sail. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Turn 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, out, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 1, 2, out, 3, and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Step tick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Turn 8 is 1 and 2, 3. Turn 4, 5 and 6, 7. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz. 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we're going to move forward with a step, drag, triple step. We're learning so much in this dance. Move it up. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Always starting on the right. Slide back on your right, on your left, and hood walk. Right, left, right, left, right, left. What we did, step, drag on the right with a triple. Step, drag, triple, step, step, drag, step, triple step, slide right, slide left, and right, left, right, left. Hood walk. Then we're going to do a step turn, half turn. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. Coming back to the front. So it's 1, 2, left, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, turn, 2, left, 3, step 4, right, turn, right. I'm sorry, I lost my count. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Then we're going to dip. Right, left, down, down, up, up. Slide right, slide left. So when we came back, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, I'm still at the back wall. My right shoulder went forward, half turn. Then my left go forward. 1, clap, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, up, 7, 8, slide right, slide left. And the dance starts over. Okay, so let's do a review. We did a step, sailor, out and left, right, and paddle around. So we did on the right, left, left. And we went right into our step tick, moving counterclockwise. No shuffle, just a step tick. When you came back to the front, we pivot full turn and a right jazz square. We pivot on the left, full turn, a left drag square with a triple step. Then we move it forward. Step, drag, triple. Step, drag, triple. Then we slide back, right, and left. Then we add a pony step. Right, left, left, Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step. Dip, down, down, up, and slide right, and slide left. Okay? So let's go through it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to count to make sure I got all my steps. Okay? Step sail. 5, 6, 7 on the right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, and 3. Step 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1, 2, and 3. Step 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Step 4, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 10. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Pivot 8. Pivot 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz 5, 6, 7 and 8. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move it up. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. 25 and 6, 7 and 7. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I got it. That's run it up. There's only 2 rotations, but this is the perfect dance for beginners, okay? Because it's teaching them so many step instructors, okay? So I would do this as a drill, okay? I would warm them up with a couple of songs, but every class period I would play this song to teach them, because you're teaching them different steps. So they might not necessarily get it right away, but I promise you it's going to add up, because those steps, all those steps are going to show up in the other dances, okay? So this is a great combination dance where you're doing different steps. So when they do the other steps, they're going to be familiar with them, okay? So it's run it up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. And watch me in the next video, honey. I'm getting ready to tear it up right here. Right here. All right, guys. See y'all later.